Alright, LDU, now I know y'all saw the title of the video and you think it's clickbait, but I'm not lying to y'all, man. I am literally going to show you how to get the steal every single time. If you just do it right, you gotta do it right, you gotta time it right, you have to look and see what you're doing, pay attention to everything that's going on, use the situation to your advantage, and all of that good stuff. Now, you probably don't understand nothing that I'm saying, but don't worry about it, because these steals that you see right here, these are all steals where we're setting things up and we're just hitting the button one time. Ain't no spamming, ain't none of that. You're gonna get the steal and you're just gonna be good to go, man. And you'll be an invaluable player on defense, but it does take teamwork, because teamwork makes the dream work. And you know what also makes the dream work? VC. So if y'all don't do nothing else, man, make sure y'all like the video and comment LDU down in the comment section at the end of your comment. When you do that, you're gonna be entered into 2 drawings. You're gonna be entered into a $50 drawing that we do every single Friday, where I give away $50 in either Cash App, or I give away $50 in PlayStation currency, VC, or the extra regular ass edition of NBA 2K23. Also, when you do that, you'll be entered for a drawing that we're gonna do at the end of the month, where we're gonna give away a next gen console. So all you gotta do is like the video and comment LDU at the end of your comment, and you will be entered to win either a PlayStation 5 or a Xbox console, whichever you want, man. And without further ado, let's just get the video underway. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna roll this thing back, man, all the way to the beginning and start out with just a simple steal, man. Well, the way that you can get these steals every single time is just the way that we play defense, the way that we set up, the way that we do everything. And I'm just gonna show you this. And when you add this to your guys' scroller decks, or to your bag of tricks, you're gonna be just as good as we are with this stuff, man. The number one key on defense is, if you want to try to get a steal and you want to try to get steals, a lot of steals, you got to set up the blitzes. And by setting up the blitzes, I mean you're gonna have to see the situations coming and see how you can guide your player and stuff like that. And we're gonna explain all of that in a second. But also, you got to see the opportunities. Like right here, this is one of those. I made a complete mistake. Right here, you see me coming at this guy. What I'm supposed to do is hit this shoulder here. I'm supposed to attack this shoulder, because what I want to do is send him to Brute right here, so I have help, and then ultimately send him down here to Gambit. I come out, and what you're gonna see me do is I just came straight out and I just overshot him. I literally came out and just straight up overshot the dude, bro. It's crazy. I didn't swipe or do anything, because you see I still got all my adrenaline. But instead of giving up on the play, I know what's gonna happen right here. You already see Gambit's head. You see Gambit's head right here? So I know that means that Gambit is gonna step to that guy, and he's gonna cut all of this off in here for me. So my job is to get to this guy right here. But this guy, he doesn't have the ball, so he can't hurt us. He's really not in the play. So before I go to him, what I'm gonna do is run up his back and then go here, because I want to take away any inside or any, like, you know, veering off or anything that he might do. And so by me doing that, you're gonna see me coming up beside him, and I'm just running straight into him. Boom. And we get the steal, because the ball, you're gonna see the ball bounces off me and we get it. But the more important thing that you see is Gambit has stepped over here, and I'm gonna get to this guy right here, but I'm taking this path to get to him. Easy little steal, man. Like, easy stuff like that, just not giving up on plays. Those are the things that's gonna make you a better defensive player and stuff like that. And we gonna come down. What we do when we get the ball, man, like I said, the number one way you're gonna lose the ball is not getting the ball out of your hand when you know that you're not a ball carrier, or whatever you want to call it, a dribbler. Look, I go ahead and throw the ball down to Brute. Brute gets to the middle of the floor. He gets it out of his hand. Trays up, splash down, easy bucket. Right here, you're gonna see us get a steal right here. And we just setting up this steal. This is a different type of steal. This is one where we make you pass the ball. Now, check it out. Brute has the guy, and he's cutting off all of this over here. He can't go over here. So what he wants to do is funnel him toward me. Right now, who's all covered? He's covered, so he's pretty much out of the play. We got Hezzy playing center field, so Hezzy's gonna pick up this guy when he comes up, but also he's playing here, and then we got Gambit playing the middle of the floor, just in case they break contain. My job, ideally, is to get over here, and I want to guide him through me so that he has nowhere else to go. But what I do is I get here, I try to I didn't get a chance to get a reach. This is another one of those where I think I just took a bad pursuit angle, really. I come in, take a bad pursuit angle, But he gets antsy, and right here, he don't have a pass to either one of these guys. He probably could have passed it here, but instead of doing that, he tries to hit the slip right here, which is he tries to beat Mac. I guess that would have been the right play, but you see Gambit is already on that, and he moves in front of it. So pressure can cause bad passes, and those bad passes, as long as your team is there, you're gonna be able to get these steals. Now, we're gonna talk about other stuff. You're gonna see me go climb the ladder on that, man, put it in the rim. You know what I'm saying? I get on that rim. That's how I get it. They got it together. They need a TO, baby! Now we talking about straight up plucks and steals right here. This is one right here, actually, we're still talking about in the air steals. Let me show y'all right here where he thought what was going on. So right here, he's coming up court. You see me and Brute already setting this up. I see right here, he's too close to this sideline. So I'm gonna come down, and I want to continue to funnel him. I want to just make it just as bad. I want to force him to come through this little thing right here. So when he does that, the only thing he's going to be able to do is I'm either going to veer him out of bounds, or he's not going to have anywhere to go. He's going to have to start the play. He's going to have to start the play from right here, and I'm going to already still be in a favorable position or what have you like that. Now Brute sees what I want to do, and he don't have a responsibility right now. This is Mac's responsibility. This fella right here is Brute's responsibility. He don't have anything to do right now, and then again, Gambit is just gonna sit here. He gonna sit in here and play center field and see what goes on. Now, when we set this up, I know that I got my guy Hezzy behind me. He already knows that I don't play no games, and he doesn't want to get caught between this sideline. He fully believes that this is open, but that ain't open. Normally, that could be two people right here. Hezzy, if you're playing this corner, you can literally play both of those guys, and your guys can press once you learn how to do that. He thinks he got the pass. He comes to the middle of the floor. He makes a late pass. Now, he did have the pass initially. I don't know why he stopped. I don't know why he didn't just 1-2 pass it right there. He should have just 1-2 passed it, because I do believe that if it's one, that ball need to come out right now. Like right when he touches it, that ball needs to come out right now. I don't think Hezzy could get there, and I think that's a 3 ball if he does it. But as it stands, he throws it late. He does the Cardinal Roots in, takes 2 dribbles, and then once he takes those 2 dribbles, he sees me and Brute right here, right? So he knows that this is already trouble, because he's already been in trouble the whole game. He's in trouble. Now he's gonna try to throw the late pass, boom, gets intercepted. And then we're gonna go down and get on the rim, as we normally do, or find some way to score. Here we go. Hezzy, once again, the man who started the play, he's gonna end the play. Right! Gets up there and gets his bucket. And I know that took forever to just break down, man, but we're gonna try to move through the rest of this super fast, man. Like I said, it's a lot of moving parts with this stuff, but the rotations gotta move like that, man. You gotta just flow like water. Go to the closest man, but also tell your guys where you're going. Right here, this is just elementary right here, bro. You can't do stuff like this, man. This dude is already cold. He's already cold. Now, what he could do is he could probably make this early pass right here, or he could probably make this early pass right here. That's what I would do right here, because we're both behind when we're in the backcourt, but he persists. He wants to hold the ball. Now, you see Brute coming across. You got nowhere to go. I'm holding firm right here, and I'm saying that if you want to come here, you're gonna have to do that, because I don't have a responsibility right now. That's Hezzy's responsibility. The only free guy is this fellow right here, but Gambit is kind of shading that, and Big Mac, depending on how they are, he got to get first pass, so he got to be able to defend that guy. But instead of passing the ball, we don't even have to worry about none of that, because instead of passing the ball, he dribbles into Brute. Brute gets him in that animation. If you ever get in this animation right here, if you're in this riding animation right here that he's in, and you see somebody coming across, yeah, you might as well go ahead and get that rock up, bro. It's 2 people there. If you do this, you will get this steal every single time. And as you can see that I hit the button. I hit the button right here when Brute was riding him, riding the hip, and then I hit the button right here. But the way that the game expressed it, it made it so we had to get it on the other side. And I know we don't always like those things, but the fact of the matter is, bro, you're cold. You're coming up court. You got nothing. You ain't got nothing, man. I don't even know why you're doing that. Like, it doesn't make sense. And yet again, here we go again. Brute is gonna push him. He gets the ball. Brute is gonna push him toward the middle of the floor. He's bracketing this. He's saying, you can't come this way. I see this. I'm gonna come here and say, okay, look, this is our best friend right here. We always try to set up, you always want to try to set up your traps right here, because we know he can't go backwards. He can't go through Brute. and then I'm gonna come here and cut this off. And if we do it right, you're gonna get a steal every time. Look what happens. He goes there, I go to my guy, but hey, look, oh, well, wow, I didn't go. He thinks he has a pass, and Hezzy, geez, I don't know why he didn't pass the ball right here earlier. He should have just passed the ball right there. He was good, but I guess Mac was on the way. Mac was on his horse right there. And then, yeah, you can't throw it here because Gambit is looking right here. He really don't have anywhere to go with the ball. He should have just passed this right here earlier, bro. I ain't gonna lie. You gotta make this pass right here, bro. You have to, because when you don't, and you're even 1 second late and everybody's moving around, boom, Hezzy gets the steal. We out and off to the races. I just don't see why people don't go ahead and pass the ball. I understand you the main ball handler, but at the same time, sometimes, bro, you just gotta stop, bro. Yet again, here we go again. Right now, I got supreme confidence in Hezzy. And if this guy right here is paying attention, he would go ahead and dot this dude right here and just catch me and make me stay still. But I know that he's one of those guys that don't want to pass. Right here, you're gonna see Hezzy. Hezzy's able to play. These guys are standing so close together. Hezzy can easily play both of those. All he has to do is go first pass. And even when he goes first pass, this dude 9 times out of 10 gonna pass it back, so he can just go back up there. He's gonna play that little triangle spot. Now look, check it out. He tries to throw the pass, right? He throws the pass to the first guy. Look, Hezzy's right there, and that's what I'm telling y'all. You can play both of these guys. We got him set up. He makes the pass, but he's got to make that pass early. So if he goes ahead and makes that pass right here, he might actually have a shot. But because he wants to take another extra dribble and now make the pass, here we go. Like I said earlier, Hezzy can play both of these guys. Not only can he go here, then when you try to make that pass, he's gonna get that. That's exactly what's gonna happen here. He runs down, baits that, backs up, give me that, like young Chris Breezy. And then, like I said, once again, we all to the races, man. Yet again, here we go. This is just a great defensive play, man. This dude right here, I mean, that's just poetry in motion right there. Same thing happens as always. I'm gonna try to funnel him to my help. So here we go right here. Again, he really don't have anywhere to pass the ball. I'm funneling him to my help, and he's gonna allow me to. I'm gonna sit on this shoulder. I think he's actually gonna try to go straight up the court, but nope, he can't. He has to turn. Now, right here, he's got a decision to make. Either he's gonna have to dribble straight to the rim, in which case Gambit is coming across, or he's gonna get cut off by Brute, and then I'm gonna stay here on this hip and not let him come back. He let us force him in. I don't know why he did. Boom, here we go. I get off of him, Brute gets off of him, we come back, boom, 8-second violation. Defense and turnovers are not always about getting steals. This is another one right here. I don't understand why he doesn't do it, and he gets his ass graded out. And I don't understand yet again. At this point in time, you have to understand what we're doing, right? Brute sees me, and I got him in a precarious situation. I got the sideline helping. I got the half court line helping, and you see Brute on his horse, on his absolute horse, going right here. Now, why on earth do you not make this pass? Just make the pass. That's all you got to do. Or you can even make this pass right here again, and you know, Hezzy's sitting there, but you can get that pass in there. He sees Brute get off of him. Hezzy once again is in between, playing both of these guys right here, and he's looking right here. He's just gonna play first pass. Brute comes down. He's already engaged. Brute come down. We get the steal. Brute got 55 steal or something like that. He had just made this play today, and dude gets graded out. And like, that's just how we play defense. You can literally get the steal every single time if you play defense like this. You got to play the game. You got to set these things up, and then you just got to play it. You have to play it in a manner where everybody's rotating, and you got to trust your teammates. If you can trust your teammates, you can get these blitzes going, and you can play just like we're playing here. Like this is just a great defensive set right here. You know, everybody's moving around, everybody's rotating, and you can give me that. Once again, you see when I say every time I go for a steal, you're gonna see right here. Look, he comes in, he's got Brute right here. Like this is the issue right here. Brute's right here, I'm right here. Anytime you got two defenders around the ball, you're in the danger zone. I'll wait till he goes out. Boom. Right hand on the back tip. We get the steal, and we out of there. Like, the biggest issue is, I know a lot of these guys that are ball handlers, they don't want to have to take onus on getting some of these steals. But if you're gonna let people set you up like this and constantly get you into these two-on-one situations, like, bro, you're gonna just lose the ball. Like, even right here, I lost the ball. Hezzy comes across. Look at how I waited until he gets engaged with Hezzy, right? Like, most of the people would think I would reach right here. As soon as he crosses back over and he's engaged with two people, that's when I do it, man. So, like I said, you can literally get the steal every single time if you play like this and do these same things that we're doing, man. Hopefully this video helps you out. Hopefully you guys now understand why you're getting the ball stolen and also how to get the steals. If you see somebody engaged and you are a defender, go get the ball and make him pass it. He's either gonna pass the ball or he's gonna lose the ball, man. That's it, man. So y'all let me know what y'all think down in the comment section. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. And I'm gonna holler at y'all next time. Till next time. It's your boy Jay Easy, aka Fresh from the Barbershop, BK the People's Champ.
Godspeed.